The most common mistake I have ever seen in Google Forms when we're creating a Google form is to create a question where you put the entire question here in where you would think is the question. So you'd say, what is your first name? Or what is your full name? And that's totally fine if you are just getting the answers and that's it. But when we put them in Google Sheets, this becomes the actual column header for that. So what I like to do is keep this very, very short, either name or full name, as short as possible. To one word is my ideal. If it must be 2 words, it's totally fine. But how do you know if someone should be filling out their full name, first name? Well, go over to the bottom of this question to more options, click it, and add a description. Now in this description, you can be as verbose as you want. What is your full name? Please enter your full registered name. It has to include both first name and last name and a middle name. Yes, I'm talking to you, Zeke. It must be your whole registered name. Ezekiel. Something like that. I mean, that's a little bit verbose, but you get the idea. You can put anything in that description. And in your Google Sheet, this is going to show up as name. But the people who are filling it out are going to know way more information about how to answer this question. And here's what it looks like. They have name here, and then they have the full description. It's not hidden. It's right there for them to see when they fill out this form. But in your Google Sheet, it's going to show up way, way, way better. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.